Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to collect data using Kobo Collect. First, you will need to download the Kobo Collect application onto your Android device from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and configure it to connect to your Kobo Toolbox server. This involves entering the URL of your server and your login credentials. This initial setup is crucial for accessing your survey forms and submitting collected data efficiently. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection for this step. After setting up Kobo Collect, the next step is to download your survey forms. Tap Get Blank Form and select the forms you need from your Kobo Toolbox account. Once downloaded, you can begin filling them out by tapping Fill Blank Form. You will encounter various question types, such as text, numbers, dates, and even media like photos or GPS coordinates. Take your time to accurately input all the required information for each question, ensuring data quality. Once you have completed filling out your forms, it is time to submit your collected data. Navigate to Send Finalized Form and select the forms you wish to send to the server. A stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, is essential for successful submission. You can monitor the status of your submissions, ensuring all your valuable data reaches its destination. If a submission fails, you can retry sending it later, or review and edit the form if necessary. To ensure the highest quality data, always double-check your entries before finalizing a form. Regularly submit your completed forms, perhaps at the end of each day, to prevent data loss and keep your server updated. If you encounter any issues, such as forms not downloading or submitting, verify your internet connection and server settings. Keeping your Kobo Collect app updated to the latest version can also resolve many common problems, ensuring smooth data collection operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.